This is a project performance dashboard. What we're going to do here is we're going to take a look at some of the KPIs related to projects on this dashboard. Here up at the top, we have some project performance driven widgets. And below that, I have a project overview report. Now, I don't have any filters applied to this dashboard. So these performance cards are capturing the overall health of all projects for my company as a whole. Similarly, with the reporting on this dashboard, since I don't have any filters applied, it's pulling in all of my projects throughout my company and giving us a high level view of how they're all performing. Now, with this project overview report, I have a list of all of my active projects with their contract values, their cost budgets. I even have what their commitments, billings, and cost are. I also have some gross profit being reported here. With the reporting in Intacct, you can add conditional formatting. That way, you can identify things that may need your immediate attention. In this case, I see there's a couple jobs that are being reported as negative gross profit because my conditional reporting I've built is identifying things that have a below zero gross profit being reported. Maybe I need to go talk to my project manager and say, hey, Dennis, are you aware that your project is showing negative gross profit? Well, Dennis is going to look at his information and he's going to come back and let me know, no. Based on all of the information I show that I should have maybe $70,000 net positive gross profit. Well, we talked about how your performance cards have that prove it functionality. Your reporting does too. All I have to do is click on this gross profit value and a GL transaction list is going to pop up showing me every single transaction that's contributing to that gross profit. And then from here, I can send this over to Dennis or have Dennis sit with me and have him tell me what is wrong or what is missing. After having that conversation with Dennis, maybe I want to see how all of my project managers are doing. Utilizing the different fields and dimensions within Intacct, I can easily take this same information and group it by project manager to get a good idea how managers are doing as a whole. Well, when I go look at Dennis has one job that we just talked about, but when I look at some of his other ones, it seems like Dennis is struggling a little bit. Now I have questions, right? Are we missing change orders? Is Dennis a new project manager who needs some additional assistance and training? Did we bid these jobs poorly? I have a lot more questions with this level of visibility with my project managers. Or maybe it's the type of project Dennis is working on, because we do a few different types of projects here. Well, again, utilizing dimensions and the different fields that are present with Intacct, I am able to group that same information by job type because you are able to assign types to your projects in Intacct. And I can come here and be like, oh, no, Dennis has a few different types of projects he's working on. I don't think that's the issue. You're also able to add graphics onto your dashboard. So you can see really quickly here, I have a project margin by customer broken out. And we love doing business with Oregon schools. They contribute to our project margins beautifully. Some of our other customers, on the other hand, not so much. Maybe I can go take a look at those contracts and how they're set up to see how we can improve them in the future. But by having this visibility, I'm able to ask these questions and really improve our performances across the board.